So, ladies and gentlemen, the markets keep on pushing higher. And if you notice here, I have done what I have been struggling to do with this chart. And what that is I just pushed the wave one. I one swing over. Okay. I don't know, man. I think this is the wave camp. I know there's a lot of you down that left comments down in the section that left comments down in the section. That left comments down in the comments section stating that perhaps here on October the 27th, that was our wave 4 pullback. And I just don't think that is, guys, because this wave 4 is super, super, super small in comparison to this entire wave 2 pullback. Okay, there is no guideline of alternation. There is no guideline of the right look. The time elapsed on between these two are relatively uneven. So I just don't think that this is the wave 4 pullback of the same degree. It is a wave 4 pullback of the smaller degree, but not of the higher degree time trend that we're looking at here in the minute degree, right? So what I am looking at here, guys, is that I'm not gonna fight against it. Let's push the wave 1 here for argument's sake, okay? Because we haven't gotten that pullback yet. We've been over the 2618 extensions of resistance that we were tracking prior, and the markets just keep on pushing through that level. So it is leading me to believe that wave 1 is here, ABC pullback into the wave 2. Now we take an extension from the low of wave 1 to the low of wave 2, and you get the 200% extension at 464. Now we are sandwiched between the 1618, okay, of that degree trend and the 200. So which leads me to believe that it is almost time for us on the 1 hour time frame to start rolling over. Now this may be coming into tomorrow due to the Fed and the FOMC meeting minutes and the press conference. We may hear something about that the markets are not going to like. I mean, there are talks, there will be talks about tapering. So that is something that the markets and market participants will be looking for. Okay, and they're going to nitpick. Tomorrow is super important. So please, 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 please be tuned in and pay attention, because this is your money that you're investing. So just be careful. If your trading horizon is in the short term, if your trading horizon is in next 4 to 5 years, even 10 years, then tomorrow it's very minimum impact to you. Now if we start rolling over rather, then 450, 494, and 450 should be our next fib levels to be looking for, and our next targets for support. And why do I say that? Because if I take you down to the 30-minute time frame, now you see this is what I was mentioning, a wave 4 of that same degree. Now from the wave 2, we went up in 1, ABC pulled back into wave 2, 3, 4, and then the final 5th wave. We may have completed it today, or we are still having a last push up to the upside. However, you'll start noticing here, right, that if this was our wave 5 high, then perhaps the 23.6 to the 38.2, as I've been mentioning, is our support level that comes in confluence with two key levels here: the previous wave 4, which is normal, and the wave high, the market high here on September the 2nd, okay, which is a pretty critical and key level for us to be looking for support. As you can see here, was resistance, support. Sorry, let me backtrack. It originated as resistance, found it as brief resistance, pulled back, found it as support, continued. All right, now this should be a good level for us to take our trades. Now listen, when I say I mean, we have been taking trades over trending waves, right? We have been taking and killing the market so far, but I really looking forward to an indice trade. And also we track this so that it could give us some sort of guidance until we are proven otherwise. We are in the right side of the market so far. Until we are proven otherwise, the trend is still bullish. Okay, so overhead resistance 464.16, support 454.94, 450.35. Okay, we're gonna push up our wave candle validation at the wave 1 high here at 441.78. Over to the Qs. I haven't updated this, but let's do this together right now. So one swing over into the wave, into the October the 7th high. Still 3-wave pullback into the wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, final 5th wave. Okay, that means that we're going to delete this, we're going to delete this, and we're going to redo our extension. So from the wave 1 low to the high to the low here, okay, we are now towards the 200% extension. Okay, The next target is a 2618 at 399.24. All right. What's this guy doing up there? Let me hide this or delete it. Okay, now should we find the 200% extension as resistance, let's update our levels here, pushing it up towards the high of today or yesterday. Okay, adjusting our support box over here. We will note that perhaps, okay, a zone between the previous high, which falls just a little bit over the wave, the 23.6. All right, and we're gonna update our swings here. Actually, okay, there you go. And now we have the 23.6 at 381.59, 376.67 within the previous wave 4 and within the vicinity of the previous all-time high from October the 7th. Wait, is it October? No, September the 7th rather. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, looking for the fourth wave pullback, 3-wave pullback here to find support, then we rally. SMH are killing it. I mean, semis are on fire, guys. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not much has changed except that this wave 1 keeps on pushing on higher. We are finding ourselves readjusting our wave count over here to follow. To follow the price action. Okay, don't mind this. This is just projections. We're just keeping pushing this higher as price action continues to push. Okay, I haven't updated this since this afternoon. I do apologize for that. Let me just clean this up for us. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So we want to see from, okay, the October 21st high, ABC pullback into the wave 4, 23.6. Now we are breaking impulsively to the upside. Okay, oops, I got a notification, CNBC. Please excuse me. So wave 1, pull back into the wave 2. We broke already the previous high here at on September the 16th, ramped up impulsively. Okay, we are looking for a pullback between the 23.6 to the 38.2 at 277.03 to 275. IWM, it is struggling. It is struggling to stay or to keep its price action above this multi-month resistance zone. All right, we have our zone at 234.68. I do anticipate small caps to start leading the markets. Okay, this is the wave count we have so far. So 1, 2, up in 3 that we are in the making of it. Okay, so I'm not anchoring the wave 3 or assigning any fib level just yet until we break above this multi-month resistance. Okay, at 234.68. Until then, when we find support, then we can readjust our wave count. But so for now, we're just going to operate under the impression and the fact that this was 1, ABC pullback into wave 2, another 1, 2, and we are in the makings of the final third wave. All right, so that is it for me tonight. Hope you all enjoyed this brief update. Be careful tomorrow. Trade well. Good luck. Join Trending Waves. Subscribe. You know what to do. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow.